Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I'm here to talk about the Bitcoin crash, here to talk about the Ethereum crash, talk about what I believe is happening, why it's happening, and what do we need to look out for, because there are some important events coming this week. Coming up, we're going to do some Bitcoin technical analysis, some Ethereum technical analysis, and a little basic statistical arbitrage. Everybody that's been around know this is primarily how I trade. Let's just jump right in. As always, I'm going to start here on my site, Amassers.com. This is the Fearmonger application right now. It's just on the front of our site for free. There's a great video up here where I go very in depth and I talk about it, but essentially, the higher the number over here, the more fear there is in the market. The lower the number over here, the less fear there is in the market. We are now covering both Bitcoin and Ethereum inside of the fearmonger. And we use these simple bears and bulls to kind of help those who really don't want to dig into numbers like that and they want more of a visual cue as to the state of the market. So right now we are in neutral if you are looking at Bitcoin, and we're in neutral if you are looking at Ethereum. But I want to point something out, and that is the number on ETH is higher than this number over here on Bitcoin. And when I get to the charts, I'm going to show you guys something statistically that kind of resonates with that. Um, Over here, I've got our crypto screener, and we can see we're having a really strong sell off. The breath looks pretty bad over here. Everything is statistically trending down. This is what it looks like when I want to come in and start looking for things that I've been interested in, tokens or coins that I've been interested in that I think have real value. And when the market's kind of collapsing, crashing like this, then that's when I want to uh, get involved and get some wholesale pricing. Uh, Obviously, you can ride momentum when something's pumping, but sometimes I do it like this. And that's my approach for using a crypto screener. That's my little crypto screener strategy. Okay, now let's look at a chart. Here is a chart on Ethereum. Now, the statistical zones that I have right here, this is based on the entire month. Everything in this black area is where statistically we should be. This is the average down for the entire month. As I'm recording this, this is 0611. You see how we're already at the average down for the month on Ethereum. And remember, Ethereum had more fear in it, according to the fearmonger, than Bitcoin had. Now, let's go over here to Bitcoin. We are down, but the statistical area that we should be at, statistically, this is the average swing down. This is somewhere like 60, 64, 6, something like that. And there's my gray area right there. If you guys follow me on Twitter, Trader Alfred, most times, although I didn't catch it this time, I didn't post my gray area. I'll post my gray area and I'll be looking for a break of that area early in the week so that we can see what's going on. All of the price action just looked so boring to me that I just didn't post it. Mark something off and I'll wait. I'll let the market, don't come to the market, let the market come to you, and I'll just wait and look for a break of that area. And for this week, that area was like basically 69.8, 68.8. and we broke that with authority. Now let's talk about what's coming up on Wednesday. We are prepping right now, I believe, for Wednesday. And on Wednesday, there are two major events happening. I know we all like to think that crypto is so removed, but no man or coin is an island unto itself. So on Wednesday at 7:30 in the morning, we're gonna have the Consumer Pricing Index (CPI) report. I'm using Central Times, and I believe sometime like one, we're gonna have a Fed decision. Now, I don't expect anything big, no cuts or anything. But what's going to be important is the notes and what uh, Secretary Powell says and how it's interpreted or misinterpreted, the spin that goes on it afterwards. Obviously, a lot of people want to see some easing in the interest rates because the big guys like they need that money at a cheap rate so they can go out here and do leveraging and put it to work inside of the market. So be aware that there's still maybe another big move coming. Now, it could be a big move. That move could be a reversal. Could be going back the other way. Could be a continuation because, as I said right here, statistically, we are not here yet. This is the average swing down for the month. And again, this is the 11th. Okay. Now, um, if it were buying, I'm looking for wholesale pricing. So I can see that statistically right now, ETH is more oversold. But right now, what we have is neutral on our app. So I wouldn't, I like to buy in the bears. Okay. I'm trying to buy in the bears. I'm trying to sell in the bulls. And all of those other tokens that are tracked on the screener, I'll look on there and I'll see what I believe has value and I believe is oversold right now based on its probability. All of this is free on our site. Like I said, there's a video explaining it all. And that's pretty much all. I just wanted to talk about this little Bitcoin crash. Okay, that's all I got, guys. Once again, this is Alfred for Amassers.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. See you guys on the next video.